So sometimes you have the need to remove background from an image and make it transparent. So in this 2-minute tutorial, we'll quickly look at how you can do that in Adobe Photoshop. So we're starting with a background image in Photoshop here, and we want to paste our new image to it. So I already have that on the clipboard, so I'll do Edit and Paste. You can see we have our drone, but it's got that white background that we want to get rid of. So let's go ahead and turn off the background layer. And let's go ahead and go up here and find the magic wand tool. With this, we just click in our white space. It identifies all it can. We hit the delete button to remove it. Then we find our other white spaces, do the same, delete. Hit this one, delete, and this should take care of the rest. Go ahead and hit delete. So now we've made all of that transparent. So let me just click off of here. Okay, so let's re-enable our background and see what it looks like. And voila, there you go. So at this point, you'd probably want to go ahead and export this or save it as a PNG file. So we'll just do that. Replace that. I already had a copy, but that's fine. And you're good to go. So hope you learned something and good luck in your endeavors. Thanks.